Understanding cultural workshops, enhancing language learning. Hello everyone, welcome to today's video where we're going to dive into the meaning and significance of cultural workshops. This phrase might sound a bit complex, but don't worry, we'll explore it together in an easy and engaging way. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just curious about different cultural concepts, this video is for you. Cultural workshops might sound like a big term, but let's break it down. The word cultural refers to anything related to the customs, beliefs, arts, and way of life of a group of people. The word workshops generally means a session or series of sessions where a small group of people engage in intensive discussion and activity on a particular subject or project. So, when we put these words together, cultural workshops are sessions where people learn about and engage with different cultural aspects. Cultural workshops are important because they promote understanding and appreciation of different cultures. In these workshops, participants might learn about traditional dances, culinary arts, language basics, customs, and history of various cultures. This not only enhances cultural awareness but also builds cross-cultural communication skills, which are crucial in our globalized world. Let's look at some examples to understand better. Imagine a workshop where you learn to make sushi while understanding its origins and significance in Japanese culture. Or a session where you're taught the basics of Spanish language, along with an introduction to Spanish festivals and traditions. These are practical ways cultural workshops blend learning with cultural exploration. For those learning English or any other language, cultural workshops offer a unique advantage. They provide a contextual understanding of the language, which is crucial for mastering it. Knowing the culture behind a language helps in understanding idioms, phrases, and the social etiquette of communication. It makes the language learning process more engaging and relatable. I hope this video has shed some light on the concept of cultural workshops and their relevance, especially in language learning. Remember, learning about different cultures not only enriches our understanding but also brings us closer as a global community. Thanks for watching, and stay curious about the world around you.